we are proud. We belong to you. We belong, we rejoice and we dance. We belong to you. Like the birds in the air, we sway and we dance. Fearless and focused, like the birds in the sky.
To go and shave, but we know some of you, the moment you step outside the gate, it is your pleasure. You can do anything. So for that reason, our candidates as well were here for the 2 weeks and they have overgrown hair. We are going to bring in the barber tomorrow to clear off the hair, starting with the people who reported yesterday. Clear? We are going to call you one by one. I have the list. And should you now refuse to go and shave, we shall say you are really a strong human being. We shall see possibilities of seeing how to remove the hair from your head. But please, let us be smart. 2, what we are going to observe for this week, we believe the holiday was fruitful to most of you, to the extent you went ahead to design your body parts. Fingernails. That is actually mostly for the girls. Most of you have painted fingernails, both these ones and the ones that you hide in the shoes. Those ones we may not see when you are in a class, but we have time that we are going to see it, most especially from the powerhouse. I believe not all of you will put on closed shoes during supper time. We shall stand there. As we are jazzing, I will observe your toenails. We see it painted, you will go and rub it. I don't know with what rubber. But please, let us be organized. This is a school where we need to be in a uniform.
Taxi Pulse and Yo-Yo Easy for the clarity. St. Thomas Aquinas College EREPI is a school of difference. Hallelujah. St. Thomas Aquinas College EREPI. Hallelujah. St. Thomas Aquinas College EREPI. Hallelujah. St. Thomas Aquinas College EREPI. Oh, St. Thomas. The Father, Son, and Spirit for bringing this wonderful school in EREPI. The school with well-trained teachers and role models who give us their knowledge and skills they have learned.
Our mission to get the rich and power Africa. That's why for strike we say, oh no, no, no. Bullying we say, oh no, no. Drug abuse say, oh no, no. We say, oh no, no, cause we treat everyone equally, equally, and respect everyone's view. Father Robert's Foundation, number your Joseph's, direction, direction.
Hallelujah.
St. Thomas
Aquinas
College EREPI.
Hallelujah.
St. Thomas
Aquinas
College EREPI.
Hallelujah.
St. Thomas
Aquinas is a Catholic bonded school, is a real God-fearing school. We are aiming to achieving step by step. We are going higher, like eagle flying higher. Step by step, we are going higher, like eagle flying higher. We have no doubt cause we know karate beat, like eagle flying higher. Fastest first can testify, teachers can testify, our principal can testify, our aid himself can testify, our founder can testify, our neighbors can testify, our dosi can testify, Kotia can testify, Mama Mi